Building a PC by Archie. Archie have money. Archie want to build gaming PC. Archie buy parts. Go to Micro Center. Ask Employee Kitty for best parts. Employee Kitty give best parts. Pay. Go home. Now Archie ready to build gaming PC. Archie get motherboard. Archie put in CPU. Archie put RAM. Archie put thermal paste. And CPU cooler. Archie put SSD. Archie get PC case. Archie put motherboard in PC case. Nice. Archie put power supply. Archie confused by cables.
Huh?
Archie put cables. Archie put graphics card. Wow. Archie try boot. Not booting. Shit. Search internet. Now PC boot. Nice.